Good morning everybody, it's day 47 of lockdown. Quite chilly today. Right, who wants to collect the camera? Yeah, it's definitely a lot cooler this morning. So a nice day though. See the sun coming, reflecting over there. While we're en route to get the camera, I just want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for taking time to comment on all the videos. I really appreciate all the questions, all the feedback and all the comments. It's great, they're great to read. I do try and answer them all as quick as I can. Recent one particularly interesting was regarding the night vision camera. One of my subscribers said he'd obviously done the same thing. You can alter the lens by twisting it to use it as a macro camera for close-up photography on insects and things like that. And you can also buy a red filter, sort of infrared filter, that will fit over the lens. So once you've converted your camera to night vision, if you want to use it as a normal camera, you just click this little lens over the top. I thought it was a really good idea. So yeah, thanks for that feedback, really interesting, really appreciate it. Right, let's go and get the camera. I've only been in the field 2 minutes, my feet are soaked, really heavy dew. You can feel it in the air. Right, we're just approaching camera site now. I'll show you where we put it last night. Wasn't quite where I suggested I might put it, but we are in the second, kind of in the second field. Well, we're in between the two actually. You'll see what I mean. Right, well, I can't actually see the camera yet, but I put bait on here and it's gone. And also some up there and some down here. Let's give you a sneak peek. You see it? This is actually sort of a little brook that's just dried up. You can smell the fox. Bit of dew on the lens. So all the footage, not all the footage, might be clear. Just have to see. All the bait's gone anyway. I knew it was going to be a risk last night, putting the camera so low. With it being down in the bottom of a brook, it's actually below the grass line. So well, definitely in the dew layer. But I thought with it being just down in the brook, I thought it might be a little bit protected. But it does look like there's dew on the lens, so I hope we did get some footage. And I hope it's just not covered in fog. Find out when we get back. Right, let's continue with the rest of the morning's walk. See what's on offer this morning. Somebody's working really hard on this one. There's several of these in the woods. This one's actually not too bad. Even got somewhere to sit. Get some foliage on top of there and it'd be quite good. Not today. So you've got 3 more days till the competition video, and you'll need to be paying attention over the next couple of videos. So keep your eyes peeled and pay attention to what I might be saying or wearing or visiting. Who knows? Anyway, there's only 25 questions, so it shouldn't be too bad. You may remember I said to you, not that long ago actually, it won't be long before these sides will start growing up and getting taller, ready for the ladybirds. And they are. They're getting a bit of height now. They'll get taller than that. Won't be long. Come on. So I checked the footage when I got home this morning, and as I thought, there was just too much dew on the lens. There was only one clip, but like I say, it was all misted up. You could just about make out the fox's eyes sort of glistening under the infrared, but that was it really. So yeah, I did wonder about placing it there, but didn't work out. So I'm going to try the same place tonight, but I'm going to try, if I can, and place the camera high up on that big oak tree, but it's just whether I can attach it or not. But we'll check that out shortly. So once again, wasn't quite the footage we were after, but we push on for another day. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.